Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to use an electric milk pump and share a simple guide for mothers who are new to pumping. Using an electric pump for the first time can feel a little overwhelming, but once you understand the basic steps, it usually becomes much easier and more comfortable. Before starting, always wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and properly assembled. Taking a few minutes to prepare can help make the entire session smoother. Next, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Many mothers find that a calm environment helps them feel more comfortable during pumping sessions. Before turning on the pump, make sure everything is connected correctly. Having your storage container ready in advance can also help keep the session organized. When you begin, start with a gentle setting rather than the highest level. Many mothers find that a comfortable setting works better than immediately choosing strong suction. Allow your body time to adjust. It is completely normal if milk does not begin flowing right away. Patience and relaxation are often important parts of the process. During the session, try to remain comfortable and avoid constantly changing the settings. A steady routine often makes pumping feel easier over time. After the session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if necessary. Cleaning the pump after every use is also very important. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and keeps the equipment ready for future sessions. Remember that every mother's experience is different. Finding the settings and routine that work best for you may take some time. With practice, consistency, and patience, using an electric milk pump can become a simple and manageable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.